Hey everybody, it's Cookies here. I know it's been a long time, but wow, it's been truly a long time. I have in front of me the Samsung Galaxy S10e, and over here I have a case for it. So let's just unbox it. Beautiful phone. I got this from, wow, that is amazing. Gotta take out the protective film though. Boom. Oh wow. Oh, okay, there's a little bit of extra stuff here. I think it's called the protective film for some reason. It's okay, you know. It's fine. Okay, sorry for that wait, but I finally got it on. Let's see if we have power. Boom. Let's go. So again, the contents of the box. I know this doesn't come with the cable, the earphones, but they should be coming in the next 2 to 3 days. This doesn't come with the phone. It actually was a white off-brand cable, but you know, I just wanted, my mom, we traded cables basically.
Let's get started.
Yeah.
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Yes,
Let's
thank
look
you.
at the terms and conditions.
Have to
Once you read,
agree.
you can restore the settings and contents from your old device.
Alright. Smart share. Actually, no, I'm not doing smart share. Yes, everything's connected. Straight out, checking for updates. You see, I have a battery life, you know. Case, looking nice. It's a little stained in the back, but whatever. It's, you know, it's alright. I'll just this was the protective film layer. I'm doing this on my laptop. This is my account. You guys want to follow me on that? Just checking info. I think I have a account on my phone, which I backed up on Google. Samsung backup yesterday. Into my fingerprint. Bam. Just gotta set up my fingerprint real quick. Boom. Get a full scan. Boom. 100%. I'll do that in a bit.
Log in to a Samsung account to get the most out of your device.
Okay.
Alright, we're all set.
Boom. Gotta get in to the OS. Wow, this looks amazing. Gotta turn on power night mode. Use it always. Boom. Just getting everything, syncing everything. Wow, SIM injecting tool. And to get that done. Messages. This looks amazing. Boom. Everything's one-handed. It's amazing. I love everything. Wow, bro, this phone is so amazing, dude. But you know me, gotta get that Dolby Atmos. Keep it on. Scenic edge lighting. Details. Basic effect. What do I want in it? Effect. What is it? Then there's something I can do with that punch hole display. Speaking of punch hole display, that is fast. Wow, that is very fast. Boom. Got my location. Boom. There we go. Got TikTok. Yeah. Everything's downloading. Oof. Gotta sign into the Galaxy Store, I think. Gotta update that. Boom. Okay, yeah. That was an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10e. I will show you guys more when I know more about this phone, you know? Bye. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember to share, like, and subscribe, and comment down if you're a part. And I'll see you guys on this next video. And I'm going to be doing more tech reviews and phone reviews for everybody that has a Samsung device now. Bye.